Here's an unboxing of this truck tire step. Comes in this big cardboard box right here. And it looks like it comes really well packaged inside of there. Like that's actually nothing loose, everything in position. So let's get these little cardboard blocks out and actually have a look at this thing. Little instruction manual. Alright, so here's a look at it. Definitely heavy duty. Not crazy heavy, but it does have some weight to it. But definitely portable, easy to pull in and out of the back of a truck or the bed of a truck. So nice grip tape right here as well with some warning symbolism. Looks awesome.